30 days. Zero experience. One ambitious goal: become a certified safe agilist. Sounds impossible, right? Well, this is the story of how I went from knowing absolutely nothing about the scaled agile framework to passing the exam in just 1 month in 2012. The starting point, let me be honest, when I started, I knew nothing about SAFe. I'd heard the buzzwords: lean portfolio management, agile release train, and PI planning. But I couldn't connect the dots. So I set myself a challenge. In 30 days, I would learn SAFe, live safe, and pass the certification exam. The game plan: to avoid drowning in information, I built a 4-week plan. Each week had a theme, and each day had a focused task. Here's exactly how I did it. Week 1, Foundations. Week 1 was all about foundations. Every day I spent 1 hour with the official SAFe website. Day 1, Lean Agile Mindset. Day 2, the Safe House of Lean. Day 3, Agile Teams and Arts. Day 4, Program Increment Basics. By the end of the week, I could finally explain what SAFe actually is, without Googling it every 5 minutes. Week 2, Deep Dive. Week 2 was my deep dive. I read 1 chapter a day from the Safe Agilist Study Guide. I watched training videos on YouTube. And I wrote down my own examples. How would PI planning look in my company? What's the role of a release train engineer? By teaching myself through examples, the theory became real. Week 3, Practice and AMP, Simulation. Week 3 was all about practice. I bought a set of practice exams and forced myself to take one every 2 days. The first one? A disaster. But with every attempt, I improved. I didn't just memorize, I asked, why is this the right answer? That shift turned information into understanding. Week 4, Final Prep Week 4 was crunch time. I reviewed my weak spots daily. I summarized every framework element on flashcards. I explained SAFe concepts out loud, sometimes to my dog, sometimes just to the mirror. By day 28, I could run a mini PI planning workshop in my head. Exam day, day 30. Exam day. I was nervous, but I trusted the process. 2 hours later, I clicked submit. And when the screen flashed, "Congratulations, you passed," I knew every hour had been worth it. Reflections and AMP. Advice. Here's what I learned. Passing SAFe in 30 days is not about cramming. It's about structure, consistency, and making the framework come alive in your own context. If you're starting your own SAFe journey, set small daily goals, practice often, and don't just memorize. Understand. So that's my 30-day SAFe challenge story. If this inspired you, drop a comment with your own certification goals. And if you want more Agile stories, tips, and strategies, hit subscribe. Until next time, stay agile, stay curious,